Is your powder room guest ready? If not, you might want to stick around and I'll share with you how I got my powder room guest ready for the season. But first, I want to share a quick haul. Okay, so I have a few items that I hauled for the powder room refresh. I have this hand towel that I got from Target, and it's in this pretty honey color. It's a really pretty gold, and it is reversible, and it has the darker color on the opposite side. Not sure which side I'm going to use it on, but both sides are really pretty. This one is really pretty, but I think it may be too dark for the look that I'm going for, but we'll see. And then I just picked up this candle, Autumn Harvest, and it's a scented soy candle, and I got that from Target, and it's by Opal House. And then of course, while I was at Target, I picked up Mrs. Meyer's Day Clean hand soap, and the fragrance is Acorn Spice. Now, these did not come from Target, but I did pick them up for the powder room refresh, and these came from the store that I shared in my recent video, Bella Bee's Decor, and these are called eucalyptus bushes, and I have 2 small bushes. And that's it. I did haul this garland from Michael's, but I will not be using this in the powder room. This is just a pretty color that I'm using throughout the house, and so sometimes I will take things like this along with me when I'm shopping to make sure that I get the proper color match. Okay, so let's go ahead and start decorating. Now, I like to clean starting at the top and work my way down. And here are a few products that I like to use when I clean the bathroom. And rubber gloves are a must. So one way that I like to make my Dollar Tree flowers look a little bit more expensive is to add in some regular price items. I added in these white roses in addition to these purple berries. And I think that just brings the Dollar Tree flowers to life. Everything else is Dollar Tree here. And then of course, I always tell you guys to add texture. And these also came from the Dollar Tree. And then my other tip for making the Dollar Tree flowers look expensive is to place them in a nice vase. And this Dollar Tree votive cup got a makeover with a warmer Venetian gold.